Welcome back to the channel. This opportunity is from VALERAHEALTH, and they believe that mental health care should be simple, accessible, and affordable. And if you're in the Seattle, Washington area, they're looking for a health connector. And the pay for this position will be $20.20 to $22.11 per hour, with the potential for an annual performance bonus. Benefits include health insurance, vision, dental, 401k, paid time off, short-term disability, life insurance, plus more. So you'll be responsible to conduct the initial patient consultation, which includes overview of the service model, gathering patient demographic information, forms, reviewing insurance benefits, onboarding the patient, and scheduling with a provider. Provide an excellent customer service experience to prospective patients. Become a SME, subject matter expert, on the patient onboarding journey and all health connector workflows. Be involved in the growth of the team. Attend weekly team huddles and monthly all staff meetings. So you must have a minimum of 32 hours of weekly availability between the hours of 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time Zone, and Monday to Friday, preference given to applicants with availabilities from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. A background in behavioral health, such as Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Social Work, Social Services, Case Management Coordination, Customer Service Experience, Call Contact Center, or otherwise experience or comfortable with crisis management, experience working in a EMR, EHR. As this is fully remote position, applicants must have access to a quiet private workspace and a reliable internet connection. It's also a bonus if you're bilingual in Spanish and or Mandarin or Cantonese. If you are interested in this opportunity, the link will be in the description below. Be sure to come back and read over all the qualifications necessary for the position. Hit the like, subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. Be sure to come back and read over all the qualifications for this position. Thank you for joining me, guys. Until next time, bye.